Hi, I'm Matthew. Welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to do a shave video. Real quick, I'm going to wet my face. It is the new year, 2023, and I figured I would have a nice shave to welcome the new year. And today's shave soap is by Razorock, and this is Puros. And this is a very nice tobacco scent. There's the soap. And this soap is a really good deal. They ran a special not too long ago with all the Razorock soaps on sale. I do have the matching splash, although the label's wanting to come off. And today's razor is going to be by Phoenix Artisan Accoutrements, and this is the Alpha Ecliptic. And this is that weird slant. Just has an odd head shape on it. But it is a great razor, and today's blade is going to be the Gillette Super Thin. It's kind of weird because one side says that and then the other side says something different. All right, so let's go ahead and get that loaded real quick, or not real quick. I was going to do a shave on Sunday, and I didn't. I just got busy enjoying the new year. In this razor, you do have to put the head on. There's only one way that you can put it on there. You can try the other way, but it's not going to work. All right, there it is. Look at that. Wow. All right. And I do have my soap already whipped up with my beautiful Trotters handcraft brush, and I figured I would go with this because it kind of reminds me of the dried tobacco leaves. And I'm using my baby PAA scuttle. I forgot how small that scuttle is, but I wanted some warm shave soap today. Ooh, nice warm lather. Oh yeah, something about that. It's just so nice. All right, so we're ready to go. Let's warm up the razor. This is an aluminum razor, so it's very light to me. And let's get our shave going. I've got probably 3 days worth of growth because I can't remember. And this razor is just so smooth. Very nice. Very efficient. I will say that with this particular soap, there's not a whole lot of residual slickness to it. But, you know, I think a lot of those soaps were on sale for like, I think it was $4.99. I don't know how they can do that. They sure do. So how's your new year going? Not really a whole lot going on for me right now. I really wish this particular razor was offered in a stainless steel or a copper or maybe brass. I like the heft of it, and this just feels super light to me. If you have one of these razors, comment below and let me know how you like it. What do you think about it? Have you looked at them before and thought about getting one, or did you have one and sell one? Did you get it and keep it because you loved it? I'm about to put a big old bloop of soap on the floor. Wow. There's something about that warm lather. Just makes you feel like you're at the barber shop or something. Try not to put a whole lot of pressure on with this, but with it being light, you kind of want to. And being that it's a slant razor, it's a little bit harder to edge up around the goatee. Let's see here. Hard to see with my big hand in a way. Oh boy. Nice. I want to get cleaned up with some cold water, and I'll be right back. Well, the shave is coming to an end. I'm going to go ahead and shake the aftershave splash up a little bit here. And I have to chase that with a little bit of star jelly. What a nice shave. Wow. All right, well, that concludes my shave for the day. I'll put a little picture right here of everything that I used, and I will see you guys on the next shave video. You have a great rest of your week and a happy new year.